Hello, in front of me I've got Xiaomi camera. In this video I'll show you how to set up it step by step. Firstly, let's take a look at the camera, and now I will describe the camera features. On the back of the camera we've got huge speaker. On the front, under the lens, we can find SD card slot, microphone and LED indicator and lens. Here we can find reset button and charging port. In the original package we can also find power adapter and USB cable and mounting bracket. Now, firstly let's insert the SD card to the camera, and now connect it to power source. Once it's done, camera should turn on. Now, when the camera is turned on, to connect it to app, enter Xiaomi Home app, connect to your account and tap plus in the top right corner. Add device, allow and scan QR code. The QR code is located right here on the bottom.
Waiting for connection.
Now, after the camera is powered on, press and hold the reset button for 7 seconds until the indicator light keeps orange and voice prompts reset successfully. So here is the button, press and hold it for 7 seconds.
Reset successfully. Starting. Please wait.
Now press device reset. Agree and connect it to Wi-Fi. Now the camera connects to the router.
Network connected successfully.
Now we have to set up room for our camera. Let's select, for example, balcony. Confirm. Confirm. Do not share right now. Agree. And now we have to format SD card. And it's done. Here we can find storage, check SD card status. Now let's go back. Right here we can speak to the camera. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Next we can take photo. Record videos, or move our camera. It has slight delay. Next, we can set up surveillance, we can manage playback, storage and AI features like pet detection, detect people, family guard or detect changes. In the settings we can set up more device info, camera, home surveillance, storage, Xiaomi Home Secure and more settings. Don't forget to update firmware of your camera, and it's done. Your camera is now set up. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.